Okay, just got a couple more on piece 6 that came in when the other half of you got assigned this. So first one was 25. I'm going to factor first, keep, change, flip as well. So I'm going to factor this, x plus 2, x minus 2 over x, change division to multiplication, and flip this one. Simplify what I can before multiplying, so x plus 2 and x plus 2 are gone. And then my numerator is just x minus 2 squared over x. And you may find that that's multiplied out in the background, but that's or in the back of the book. So that's that. 51 we're subtracting, so we need a common denominator. Remember, with division and multiplication, you don't need a common denominator, but addition, subtraction, we do. So before I go ahead and just decide what this is missing and give it an x squared plus x minus 6 and give this one that one, you always want to factor these first because they may already partially overlap, and to not make your life more complicated, you want to factor them in the event that they do, and they probably will, already have something in common. So x, let's see, plus 3 and x minus 2. We'll make that work out. So they already match up with the x minus 2, so that's good. This one needs an x plus 3. And this one needs an x plus 5. So x plus 2, or x plus 5, x plus 5, x minus 2, x minus 2, x plus 3, x plus 3. So we can drop our denominators and just solve from the numerator. Now up here I'm distributing a 3x. So I get 3x squared plus 9x. And here I'm distributing a negative 2x, so minus 2x squared minus 10x. Oh, I dropped the denominator as if I was solving in an equation. I'm not doing that. I'm just simplifying, so I do need to keep it all over said common denominator, which I'll get to in a minute. 3x squared minus 2x squared is x squared. 9x minus 10x is negative 1x over the common denominator, x plus 5, x minus 2, x plus 3. And you do want to factor that just a hair more in case, God forbid, one of those bottom terms was an x minus 1, we would be able to cancel a little bit further. But since it's not, this is our final answer. But if you don't refactor that out, you might miss that x minus 1 cancels with an x minus 1 in the bottom had it been there. And then in 91, they want the perimeter. So this plus this, and then we're essentially going to double it. So x over x plus 3 plus x over x plus 4, and we will eventually double that. I'm going to focus my attention here for a minute. In order to add these, I need a common denominator. So this one needs an x plus 4, and this one needs an x plus 3. So this numerator becomes x squared plus 4x, plus this numerator becomes x squared plus 3x, all over x plus 4, x plus 3, with, of course, our 2 out in front. And then in our numerator, we get 2x squared plus 7x, over x plus 4, x plus 3, and I can multiply my 2 through, and I get 4x squared plus 14x over x plus 4, x plus 3. Again, you may want to pull out a 2x just to see, but I already can tell it's not going to give us anything more. And I'm not exactly sure what the back of the book's answer response would be, but open response, I'm good with either. Just make sure you could match it up in a multiple choice scenario.